Today is a review of the Kelvin 23, kindly supplied by the Glow Company. When I did the unboxing, I was quite surprised at how well it's presented. Nice choice of colours and lots of information. It also comes with a shiny security sticker. So it comes in a white and orange box, and then an orange bottom with a nice grey inner, and then you get an instruction manual on how to use it, and everything I've shown in the last video, the unboxing. But I'm going to put the Kelvin 23 to test. So what you get on it, you get a tape measure, which I believe is, let's see how long the tape measure is. It looks like 69.5 inches. So there's the tape measure. You get a spirit level, you get a torch, you get a hammer, and if you pull this back right here, you get a screwdriver with magnets on the side to hold screws or anything you want without holding it or losing it on the side. It goes all the way, or you can pull down the lever again and put it halfway, so you can use it like that or like that. Inside, if you just lift this up, you get all the bits. You get 16 bits, 15 inside and 1 on the screwdriver. In here is an easy to access battery chamber for the LED light. Just drop the top then. So there's 2 button batteries going there. Let's put this back on, and then that closes. So there's a spirit level there. So now I'm going to put it to test. I'll just move these. And I've got a plank of wood, some nails, big nail, and some screws. So first what I'm going to do is test out the tape measure. Tape measure seems to be quite thin and a tiny bit flimsy, but seems to be strong enough to hold everything. Spirit level. A torch. But what we're going to test out right now is the hammer. First I'm going to try some of these screws. Using the hammer. Seems to go in quite well. Now let's try the bigger nail. There we go. Now let's test out some screws. I'll put it on halfway first. Instead of drilling a hole, I'm just going to start them off by hammering a bit. And then start screwing. Okay, that didn't go to plan, but I didn't make a very good hole then. But the screwdriver seems very steady and strong on both locks. The light is very bright. The tape measure is to a good size. The spirit level seems to be quite accurate. And I like the inside storage. So I highly recommend this multi-tool. It's quite smart. Seems to be very well built and strong, and it's just overall a great product. So thanks for watching the review of the Kelvin 23, kindly supplied by the Glow Company. Please remember to rate, comment and subscribe.